What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are at Myrtle Beach Speedway. We have open track day going on today, and absolutely gonna be a crazy day. So we're gonna head up in here, see what's popping off, have a great time. Mustang Week 2018, here we go. Somebody told me there was a Stifflers booth here, and we had to stop by and check it out.
Dale,
Say what's up. How's everybody?
Doing well, doing
well. Sweating?
Sweating, trying to stay hydrated.
That's right. Yeah. That's right.
It's been a great show so far.
It's been phenomenal. It really had. Yeah. Who's this guy here? Hey, you just let anybody in here. That thing on? No, it's off. Okay, guys, so we are down here in the infield. It is legit down here for real, but this is the trend that I'm noticing, and I absolutely freaking love these trucks, especially when they've got that under the hood. And there's not one, but we've got two of them. I mean, look at this crap. This is unflippin' believable. Wow. Two classic Ford trucks. I mean, dumped. Look at King Ranch interior. Forged wheels. What are you gonna do? I mean, oh my God. Absolutely phenomenal. I can't decide if I want the cream or if I want the red. This one's got the patina, but this, no, hold on now, hold on. Not only the wheels are legit, but this has the illuminator. Oh yeah, this is totally 100% legit. Oh my God. So ladies and gentlemen, yes, it is ridiculous down here. I hope you're here. If you're not here, at least you get to watch the video. Alright guys, so as someone who does mainly drag racing stuff, I gotta say, being out here and seeing this track and seeing the people go around the track at high speeds has really got me kind of tore up. It's super insane. I mean, they're flying around this track, as you saw earlier, and just having a ball. So the question is, maybe I'll do something like this, maybe I won't. And I don't even know what car I'd do it in, but my God, this looks like a hell of a time. Alright guys, so it has been one hell of a day out here at Myrtle Beach Speedway. Like I said earlier, I love watching the cars go around the track, and it kind of makes me want to like do that. Ken, how do you feel about that?
Oh yeah.
Ken feels good about that, guys. And but anyway, we are going to head back and get ready for the retro meet tonight. Trust me when I say you will not want to miss the retro meet video. It's coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'm gonna keep doing work. Later.